Namaskaram, welcome to Vastranand. Today video I will show the soft satin, cherry satin material with elegant red color combination kanchi border part with elephant motifs and plain kalamkari fusion. This premium quality soft cherry satin material saree you receive at just rupees 1350 free shipping all over India. Kashmir to Kanyakumari you receive the free shipping, but cash on delivery charge will be extra. Let's start the video. We have more than 4,500 plus designs in our website, so must be visit our website www.vastranand.in and you can download our application in Android and iOS device. Both devices our application are we live now. Let's start the product video. Here you can see the light pistachio color combination with the red color combination, the kanchi border part. Look at the beauty of this elegant, the elephant designs in entire the red color combination, the very beautifully crafted the border part with the golden zari weaves and elegant the big size pen kalamkari motifs in peacock designs in entire the body part. Here you can see the red color combination with the golden and silver zari fusions, the rich pallu parts with the red color combination resom tassels part. Here you can see the big size pen kalamkari fusions, the namely artistically designs as well as the flower motifs in entire the body part. If I talk about the softness, then here you can see the premium quality soft cherry satin material later with the shiner fabrics, elegant red color combination, the kanchi border part with elephant fusions in red color combination. This saree you received at just rupees 1350 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. Let me show you the blouse piece. In blouse piece you received a totally different combination with the striped patterns and small leaf designs in entire the blouse piece in a running pistachio color combination. If you like our collection, then like channel, share channel, subscribe channel, our YouTube channel, and must be follow our Instagram page Vastranand IND daily 4 to 5 different designs we are launching in our Instagram channel as well as in YouTube channel. So must be subscribe our YouTube channel and must be follow our Instagram page for daily new collection. Here you can see the second color option with a light chiku color combination with a big size, again so namely artistically designs. In previous study you received a couple namely artistically designs, right now in single namely artistically tree patterns as well as the full of this feather artistically designs in entire the body part with a golden zari same designs rich pallu and same size golden zari border with the same elegant elephant designs in entire the border part. Same cherry satin material, only different color and different designs in premium quality soft satin pattu saree. This entire collection you received at just 1350 free shipping all over India, cash on delivery also available with additional cost. If I talk about this blouse, then blouse piece you receive a light chiku color combination with a negatively flower artistically designs and entire the blouse piece. Our customer care number is 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6. You can call anywhere, anytime and any language. We are providing total 6 multi-language support: Hindi, English, Telugu, Tamil, Gujarati and Marathi. Total 6 multi-language support we are providing in our customer care executive. If you place right now your order, then we are committed to 48 to 72 hours. We are dispatching your order via air services and within 4 to 5 working days you receive the shipment. Here you can see the third, last but not the least, the mint green color combination, mint color combination, mint blue with a darker blue color combination, the small size namely artistically designs as well as same red color combination rich pallu and red color combination kanchi style border part. Here you can see the beauty of this mint color combination with elegant the soft satin pattu body part. If you need to see our entire collection via video call facility, then video call service is also available. So must be book your one day before your slot via our customer care number 8154000063 Monday to Saturday morning 10 to evening 6, and you can explore our wide collection range via starting range is 750 to end of this range is 2295. In between you receive the more than 4500 different option in very beautifully luxurious soft silk material with elegant mint color combination blouse piece. Was from Madi Anandam Medi. Buy now at Vastranand.in.